This video will demo how to find the mean from a frequency table. If you recall, the mean is found by taking the total number of values divided by however many values there are. Here, though, we have all of that information, we just have to creatively find it. It says the table displays the scores of students on a recent exam and asks us to find the mean rounded to the nearest tenth. I've recopied them down here. Again, we have to find the total number of points earned by the entire class divided by however many students there are in the entire class. Let's take a look at how we're going to do this. 7 students scored a 75. So 7 times 75 would be 525. I'll move the camera for you. 5 students scored an 80. So those 5 students scored a total of 400 points. 8 students scored an 85, so those students scored a total of 680 points. 2 students earned a 90, they earned a total of 180 points. 8 students earned a 95, so that means they earned a total of 760 points. And finally, 3 students earned 100 for a total of 300. So what I'm going to have to do is find the sum of all of these numbers, get that value, and then divide it by however many students there were. To find how many students there are, I'll just add them up. 7 and 5 make 12, and 8 more makes 20, 22, 33. So there are 33 students. So in order to get my answer, I'm going to take the sum of all these and divide it by 33. In order to find the sum of all those, I'm going to go ahead and use the calculator on my laptop. And so let me clear that for you. The first number we wrote down was 525. The second number we wrote down was 400. The third number we wrote down was 680. The fourth number is 180. The fifth number is 760. And the last number is 300. So this number, 2,845, represents all of the students' scores added together. We'll divide by however many students there are, 33, and we get a number of 86.21 repeating. All right, so again, this number was 2,845. And in order to get our mean, we took that number and divided it by 33, and we got our answer of 86.21 repeating. We have to round to the nearest tenth, so it's just going to be 86.2. I'll come back here. I'll type in 86.2 and submit our answer. Feeling confident, and we are correct. So again, you can kind of see how their work matches ours.